way up there is Kong. Holy cow, this game's huge. Alright, I'm going to do $1.50 spins on Kong. Thanks to the Brian Christopher channel, I was like, I'm not going to play no Kong because it didn't work out all that great on his channel. But as he likes to also say, it only takes one spin to win, so you just never know with these games. That's why I do try to mix it up and play different stuff when possible. Are you part of this or what? Kong could interfere with things, like in a good way. Right now he's mad at that, but he's not part of the solution. Looking for that Kong bonus. Still mad at that. No, he's not going to growl at it and make it go off. What about you? Still nothing. Oh, come on. I don't know what he's looking up there for. Woof. Getting close to my cutoff here. Alright, I'm going to give it $10 more and then allons-y if it doesn't go off. Well, again, you can be mad at that all you want. You have the power to interfere. Couple of last spins here. Yawn. Yeah, that's my feeling on it there, Kong. Okay, well. Kong was a bust. Oh well.
Alright, Ethan's doing it. All the cool kids are doing it. I try to stay away from these, but I can't help myself. I won. A luck has arrived. Come on, Mommy. Three of a kind. I really have nothing to say for myself. I knew this was a bad idea. Alright, I'm stopping at 50. Maxie's 200. Alright, one more 80-cent spin, and we're done. Alright, fine. I know better.
Okay, I'm not filming nothing. That doesn't help. Alright, I'm on Little Shop of Horrors. I don't know what happened with the filming. What you missed is I've been playing down since 2:20, and I got a $6 hit off of Audrey there. What am I looking out for? Okay. Oh man, could have had $24. Who knew? Alright. That's new, I've never seen that before. Yes. The plant is grooving, but let's see if we can groove to a bonus here. Which I have never seen on this game. I've only seen line hits look pretty good. And if you've been watching our channel, you know it was Jamie who did that. This is my first time playing this game. Ugh. Woof. One more. Ugh. Well, what do you think? I'm going to drop it down to 75 and play to 180. And I don't know that there's like a guaranteed way to make this go off. I think you just get what you get when you get it. Like now?
Now you're cooking!
Am I cooking with a bonus, or am I cooking like I just fed it more? Okay. Okay. That's something. Brick. Okay. Keep at it. Nope. Okay. And is there an and? Nope. No
Hot
and.
stuff! You're on fire!
Oh, totally got bricked on Aubrey there. Audrey, rather. Ugh. Come on, plant.
Well, you remember that total eclipse of the sun about a week ago?
What's it gonna be?
Hot stuff! You're on fire!
How on fire? Ugh. A lot of teasing it here, but not hitting it. Seen new things on this game.
Yeah?
Ugh.
Good. I'm not doing well.
Are you more than $6? Oh, $8. All right. Hey.
Nice.
Keep me above the $200 threshold here. All right, one moment. I'm going to do my free play. Because I really want to see if I can get this to go off, and I'll have $40 extra to do it. One moment. Okay, I added my free play to the machine. Now this has one job. Right now it's eating my money. And by my money, I mean their money, because it's a free play. Ugh. Hit it? Nope. Come on, bonus, don't be shy. That would have been $878 if I would have got a full screen of him, but... It would have been $239 if I would have got a... There we go.
He's not a good, clean kind of boy.
He's a professional.
Hot stuff. You're on fire. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Does it bother you that Lucas Revive is only $8? Because it bothers me.
I know, right?
Have you gotten free games yet?
No.
He's pretty big. I don't know how big he gets.
I know, I'm like, how much more vibing can it be? And definite hard stop at $200 this time. I will have given it my best shot. Welp. Hit it. Ugh.
That's dumb.
Ugh. This plant has eaten way more than I have today. Ugh.
What's going on out there? Very little, Mr. Mushnick.
Now you're cooking.
860. So again, it's keeping me off the floor here, but oh, how 5 across is 90 cents. Say, do you do something? 40
Why
cents.
was time 40 cents? That's ridiculous. It tells me bonuses pay bills. Come on, bonus. Keep eating a bonus.
All right, well, it's going to dip me just a little below it by 7 cents, but I will do one last spin. And there you go. See, once again, keeps me just that little bit more in it. All right, last spin. And nothing. All right, well, I gave it my best shot. It was just not my day for this.
How about some magic treasures? Let's start at 80 cents. Okay, we won something. I'd like to see it do something else now. Mini is 8. It's a real mini. Minor is 20. I have my card in my hand. I just realized that I was holding my card instead of having it in the machine. Alright, we're not getting very far here. What is the deal? $1.60 spent. Wow. Today's not my day. We gotta stop. Platinum 8x8x8x. I don't know why that says that. 8x, 8x, 8x. I've done quarter. I play 9 lines. Oh, if only those were switched. Come on. Oh my goodness. Oh. I haven't had a single line hit. I think it's just one of those days. Hey, we got a line hit. Did we make it 3 in a row? We did. Oh, $3. That would have been $2,700. We could have come up with another platinum. Ugh, what a disaster. Alright, I'm just gonna ride it out here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, geez. $5? That's it? Yeah. Oh, just missed 3 blues, which would have been 7. Oh, we don't have enough money. Okay, we're done. Alright, Crystal Bells. This is it. I have $20 in free play plus my $1.54, and we are done for the day. I'm just gonna follow Ethan around making comments after this. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna pull out the winnings so that we're just playing on that free play. Alright. Still have a few bucks in free play. Ah. Alright, last spin. Oh, come on, hit it. All right, I'll take that. All right, we're going to cash that out. At least we made some money back.
All right, Jamie has requested cash crop, so I'm going to take her up on it. Another one of these bingo-y games there. Let's see what that does. I've been down in the bingo games, and yet I've bonused on it, so I can't super complain. But the cutoff of 120.
I love that you've already decided you're going to lose $25.
Well, I like to set a limit. So
What if you just win?
well, that'd be nice too. I mean, you know, it's got to show me the money, literally. So far, it's not showing me the money.
I don't know what you need.
Well, 22-cent line hits ain't gonna do it. I'll tell you that.
You need farmers and dogs.
Well, how do you trigger the bonus? As I assume that's where the money is.
I'm looking.
I'm gonna assume it's 3 barns or
3,
something.
4, or 5 barns. Trigger pick a bonus feature.
Okay.
And then I was reading that. And then 6 or more corn also triggers something. Oh, you can get a double corn. I don't know if it's on.
This is making huff and puff noises. That could be bad.
Okay, I don't do too bad on Huff and Puff. There you go, 3 farmers. Look at that, $5.
So do I need 6 straw hats?
Yeah. Straw hats and hats and hats and hats.
All right. Well, this game seems to be perking up a little bit.
You ruined it.
Okay, this game was perking up. Ugh.
Oh, 3 corn. 38, 86.
Yeah. Come on, Barnes, at least. No.
Yeah, it does have Huff and Puff sounds. Who is this?
I assume.
SG.
Oh, that's weird.
Who's Huff and Puff?
I thought they were Light and Wonder.
Yeah, I think they are.
So, what are you all excited about?
I don't know. He's excited though. He's happy. He was popcorn.
Ugh. Well, this is my popcorn last spin, unless something amazing happens, but nothing amazing happened. All right, well.
thank you for trying.
Are you gonna collect? There you go. All right, well, there's that. All right, I feel like it's like the rule we have to play this when we're here at Muckleshoot. So I'm gonna do $1.50, and this is another one of those bingo games. And my rockin' pots changed when I went to 2 cents, so whoops, should have looked at that. What am I looking for to happen here? Yes. Yes. Was that to go 5 across or something?
I don't know. It's a mystery.
Okay. Nope. Or is it? 3 games. All right. Well, hey. Go ahead and hit my like button for me. It's been a while. You had all day. All right. This is normally Jamie playing this, so I have no idea what's going on. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, so oh, I see. So I've established my X here, and now it's hold and spin. Okay. Okay. Well, there's that. Nope. The bingo game is not saying anything about anything other than I bingo. That's all it says. Nope. Where am I at with this? I think it's like you go till you don't, right? Is that the deal? Come on, balls.
I think you're at 2275.
Ugh. Yeah, it's crapped out.
Plus whatever was up there.
Okay. I forgot I'm on the 2 cent.
Oh.
I'm like, this is the pits. No, it's not. Alright. A little bit of backup. I feel like that was a sufficient amount of backup. Alright, here we go. That was crosslink. Yay for bonus.
All right, we are taking our $46 and we are at Lucky Larry's Lobster Lobster Mania 5. We like this game. We're going to go with the dollar.
Ooh, active treasure zone reels.
So we want treasure chests on those 2 wheels for some cash. Okay. I don't know what kind of fish that is. It looks like a marlin. Every fish looks like a marlin to me. All right, $14 line hit. Nice. Nice, Larry. All right, I think we need 3 of that lobster. Okay, those hit on that active reel, so we get that money. I'm debating. Let's go 3 reels.
Treasure zone.
That gives us more than half the board to get those treasure chests. Oh, another reel would have gotten us some good ones. And that's only an extra 50 cents a spin. All right, let's do it. Let's go 4 reels.
4 active treasure zone reels.
The next jump up is another 75 cents a spin, and I don't want to do that yet. Not unless Larry gives us some more money. Come on, Larry. He doesn't seem to like this bet amount. There we go. $3.50. Another $1.50. Come on, where are your bonuses, Larry? bucks. Come on, Larry, bonuses. Wow. Come on, Larry. If I drop my bet, I know he's going to end up activating those other...
treasure zone reel.
I know I'm going to get treasure chests on those other ones, but... it's the only way to stay in it for now. I am literally down to $13. I need a bonus, Larry. This is terrible. I got up so early for this. Larry. Oh no. All right, one full one.
5 active treasure zone reels. Jackpots now eligible on reel 5.
Yeah, that's gonna happen. One spin. And nothing. Alright. Well, I had a nice time anyway.
Damn you, Food Eye. I can't quit you. So, see how I am the minute I get a little bit of money. I'm right on the Food Eye. This a game I wouldn't even cross the street for not all that long ago. And now I'm back. But I'm hoping I can show you guys another bonus. Bit of something. $1.70. Come on, Food Eye. If you're gonna vibe, you need a bonus. It's just manners. Bam. Oh, no bam. And you are not a bingo one, so what's your excuse for not vibing or for not going off? Ugh. Nope. Still nope. Yes. Whew. All right, come on, Food Eye. Let's see it. Oh, this is the jackpot style. And I don't know if you can get extra spins out of the deal or not. Maybe. I have 10 spins to find out, and I'm on number 4 already. $60 minor would help. The major would really help. But how about that mini? All right. Oh, yeah. Okay. I've just crossed the 20x threshold. Oh, it's teasing the major. How's that for teasing? I mean, if it wants to sneak in the minor, I'm not against it. One last shot at the minor. Just need the letter I. Got it. Oh.
I mean, that's great, but you need a green out.
Yep. All right. Not mad at that. Nearly $100 bonus. A little bit of backup. Vibe and Food Eye finally did not let me down. Last spin. Unless that wants to go off, but it doesn't. All right, well, that's cool. It's fine, I guess. All right, great. All right, on the subject of games I don't normally play, Lightning Link. I saw somebody playing this recently online. Like on YouTube, I should say. And it made me think maybe I'm sleeping on Lightning Link. Or it's terrible, one or the other, I don't know. But it's the famous you want 6 balls or 3 somethings to trigger the bonus. The 6 balls would be Fantastico. Got it. Told you it'd be Fantastico, and here we are. $100 minor if we can swing it. That'd be Fantastico itself. And I'm on 2 cents, so double everything you see here. Except for words, that wouldn't double it. Come on, words. I saw it go by. At least it's teasing it. Alright. Hanging in there on the ball game. Alright, $10 ball. That helps. $20 for 20x. What about those words? No words. How about you? Saw the mini go by, that would have been $20. $3 ball. All right. $17,000 grand. No pressure. $4 ball though. That seems like more like something I would land. Got the major. Holy shit.
Oh, hey.
And
Lightning Link game.
And is there an and? No, there's no and. All
You
right.
don't need an and. On a dollar bet.
All right, if you're not hitting that like button, I mean, do you even slot Saturday, bro? Oh my god.
That's insanity.
Yeah.
Well, I know who's gonna go cash in.
You think?
I think.
So yeah, if I've been sleeping on Lightning Link, I have apparently. So
Holy
like and
I'm so
subscribe.
excited. I was up 50 cents on that last game. I was so excited.
Oh my god. What a relief. And it was a bingo style game, you guys, so I mean, don't be saying bad stuff about those bingo games anymore. How about some backups? $2 backups. I can't believe I hit the major. Oh my god. Alright, time to cash this out and pocket some more bucks. How about this?
No!